Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin gained 0.6% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.9% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Saudi Arabia's crude exports fell sharply in August as the kingdom leads an effort by the OPEC Plus alliance to curb production and bolster oil prices. Observed flows from the kingdom slumped to about 5.6 million barrels a day, the lowest since March 2021. British Finance Minister Jeremy Hunt said inflation was on track to halve by the end of 2023. Vowing to focus on the goal as he laid out his priorities ahead of the reopening of Parliament after the summer break. The dollar gained against the euro and Japanese yen to end last week, after the August jobs report showed a still strong labour market, despite some signs of deterioration.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Germany's exports will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Germany's imports at 0600 hours GMT, Germany's trade balance at 0600 hours GMT. Spain's unemployment change will be released at 0700 hours GMT. The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales at 2300 hours and 1 minute GMT. Korea's gross domestic product growth at 2300 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.